Welcome to Pebbles channel. Today we are going to learn a new tense. This is also the past tense, but it is not passé composé. It is the passé récent. So this is the recent past. So what is the formula to write this tense? So the form we write this is the venir conjugation plus the infinitive of the verb. So the venir conjugation, you know the venir conjugation in the present tense plus the infinitive of the given verb. So this is all you have to remember to write the passé récent. So now that you know this, we will try to solve some exercises. We will try to write some sentences in the passé récent. So now we are going to transform these sentences into the passé récent. So you know the rules. All we have to do is replace the verb that is in the present tense with the passé récent form. So what is the form for passé récent? It is the venir conjugation plus the infinitive of the given verb. Now take the first sentence, Maman mange des crêpes. Now, what is the verb in this sentence? It is mange. So, we are going to replace this verb. So, we will begin the sentence, Maman. And instead of the verb, we are going to write the venir conjugation. So, what is the subject here? It is third person singular. So the venir conjugation is vient. Vient. Mama vient. The venir conjugation plus the infinitive of the verb, which is manger. Mama vient de manger des crêpes. So, this is how we write passé récent. You have to identify the verb and replace it with the venir conjugation plus the infinitive of the verb. So, this is a very simple tense. You have just one rule. Moving on to the next sentence, Élise et Paul réservaient leur billet pour aller en Espagne. Now, in this sentence, which is the verb? The verb is réserve. Réserve. Now, we are going to replace this verb with the passé récent form. So, we'll write the sentence, we'll begin the sentence, Élise et Paul. Now, tell me what is the subject, in which person? It is third person plural. So, what is the venir conjugation for third person plural? It is vient. Élise et Paul vient. And what is the form? Venir plus the infinitive of the verb. The infinitive of this verb would be réserver. Élise et Paul vient de réserver. And then you complete the sentence. So there is no change in the rest of the sentence. It is only the verb that we are replacing with venir plus the plus the infinitive of the verb. So the rest of the sentence is the same. Now moving on to the next sentence, je finis mon devoir. So in this sentence, which is the verb? It is fini. And now we write the sentence je. And what is the venir conjugation for je? It is vient plus de plus the infinitive of the verb fini. It is finir. Je viens de finir, and then mon devoir. Je viens de finir mon devoir. Then the next sentence, nous rentrons dimanche. Nous rentrons dimanche. The verb here is rentrons. Now we begin the sentence, nous. And what is the venir conjugation for nous? It is venons. Venons. Venir conjugation plus the infinitive of the verb. It is rentrer dimanche. Nous venons de rentrer dimanche. So this is how we write passé récent. Now moving on to the last sentence. Le train de 13h part. Now in this sentence, which is the verb? The verb is part. Part. So we are going to replace only the verb. The remaining is the same. So le train de 13h. Now the subject is third person singular. So the venir conjugation is vient plus de. And what is the infinitive form of part? It is partir. Vient de partir. So what did we do in this exercise? All you have to do is identify the verb and replace it with the passé récent. And how do we write the passé récent? It is the venir conjugation plus the infinitive. And you shouldn't change anything else in the sentence. You only have to replace the verb. The verb that is in the present, you have to replace it with the passé récent, that is the recent past.